Hello everyone, welcome back here. According to the reference image here, we have 4 holes here we need to create. Let's start create these holes here. Okay, maybe we can go to the left view, hit Ctrl 3 from the numpad, and now we are in the left view. A small tweaking here we can do. Okay, if you compare the height of this line with this one is a little bit lower, so maybe we can take this up just a little bit. To do that, we can tap to the edit mode and go to the vertex and switch to wireframe, so we can grab all of these vertices, and it's very easy, just move them up and that's it. Let's hit G to the Z and let's move those up almost right here. I think that will work, and I think they are aligned almost. That will be okay. Let's go to solid and let's see what we got so far. Do we have any shading issue? We don't have. That's great. Let's go back. Alright, let's add a cylinder right here. Start from here. Maybe we can put the 3D cursor right here. We just hold Shift and hold right click and move the mouse on the surface. Now the 3D cursor is snapped on the surface. We want to put the 3D cursor over here. As you can see, it's snapped on the surface. Let's hit Ctrl 3 from the numpad to jump to the left orthographic view. Okay, now let's hit Shift A to add, and let's add a cylinder. And now we got our cylinder ready. Let's go to the setting. We have 16 vertices. That's too much. I think we can use six side, and we can manipulate the radius of the cylinder. For example, 5 centimeter, it will work, and the depth or height, the same thing for 5 centimeter, it will work for now. And the direction of the cylinder goes up. I need to rotate the cylinder towards us. So in this case, here we have a line option. If I switch this to a view, as you can see now, is aligned to the view, and I can control the vertices from here as well if I want. After that, we can scale it just a little bit, and we can go to the wireframe to frame it. Hit S and scale it. Hit G and let's move this. It should be almost right here, something like this. Let's tumble around and let's see what we got so far. So now we got this first cylinder here. Okay, let's hit Shift D to take a copy to the Y, Shift D and then Y, and hit Shift D again and move this to the Y, and another Shift D to move this right here almost. Alright, that's very cool. Okay, let's start with this one. Let's go to the modifier, and we don't want the mirror and subdivision for now temporarily. Let's turn those off for now, and let's try to make a hole right here in this area using the pull tool. So select this piece as a cutter to cut this area, and then hold Shift to grab the body. You can access the pull tool if you go here to the edit. It's right here, but if you like, you can hit Ctrl Shift B to access the pull tool. So let's choose difference. Now we got this. Okay, let's grab this with the body. Ctrl Shift B and choose difference, and the same thing, grab this. Maybe we can move it just a little bit inside. Hold Shift to grab the body. Ctrl Shift B, choose difference. This one as well, let's move this inside a little bit right here. Hold Shift to grab the body. Ctrl Shift B, choose difference, and there we go. Now we got our holes ready. If you go to the modifier stock here, you will find all of these pull tools exist right here. Okay, now you can apply those one by one. If I go to the first one, hit Ctrl A, it will be applied. You can apply them one by one. Now you can move away the cutter itself if you like. There's no problem. because the job is done. Alright, now the question is what we should do next. Now is the time of adding edge loops and make tweaking. In this case, we can tap to the edit mode and see what we can do. For example, by the way, I don't want those. That's enough. I can't delete them. Just grab them and delete them like this. Let's start with this area. Tap, and let's see what we can do here. If you activate subdivision surface, as you can see, there's nothing. This don't make sense. Because these vertices are not supported with anything. They are go inside like this, and as you can see, it's mess. So we need to make some tweaking here in this area. We need to make some connection with these vertices to get better results. And the same scenario for the rest. So let's turn off subdivision surface for now, and let's see what we are capable of. Let's activate auto merge, this icon right here, and then we need to merge these vertices. Grab this G twice, G and G, and let's slide this right here and merge it. What about those? Maybe we can move those just a little bit right here, and they grab this vertex G twice, and let's merge this over here. Okay, that's very cool. Maybe we can grab this vertex with this one, hit K, make a connection between them, and make a new cut maybe right here and connect this vertex with this vertex, hit K. And this line we don't need it anymore. Hit Control X to dissolve it if you prefer. That's okay. Alright, maybe here we can make a cut using knife tool, goes here, and this one we don't need it. And maybe we can make another cut goes there, for example. And yeah, that's nice. And maybe one cut goes, for example, right here. Alright, now after that we can grab this entire edge loop by using Alt left click on one of these edges, and then just hit Control B to bevel it. And let's see, we used 0.6, I think. Alright, 0.6, it will be enough and cool. So we just need to memorize this number so we can use it again. And yeah, I think that's it for this one, I guess. Let's see what's gonna happen if we activate the subdivision surface. Tab out and activate it. As you can see now, it's smooth and nice, but we just need to make some tweaking here inside. Tab again and turn off subdivision surface, and let's grab these inner faces. Just give them small amount of beveling, Control B, something like this. If you like to give it a number, 0.5, maybe 0.6, it's okay. But keep in mind, this is not going to be visible to the camera because we're going to put something here in this area. Tab out, and yeah, now let's activate subdivision surface, and as you can see, super cool. Let's see what we can do to the next one. Tab the edit mode, and let's see how can we support this new circle. First thing, maybe these edges we can slide them right here and use the knife tool, or maybe you can go to the vertex mode, grab this vertex key twice and merge it like this. This will work. Use knife tool, hit K, make cut goes like there, and maybe we can use the knife tool again to make a cut goes, for example, like that. And maybe a new cut should go, for example, like this, maybe something like this. One cut maybe can go right there, it's okay. And one cut goes here, and now I just supported this. What about this one? Maybe we can hit key twice and merge it right there. Okay, but temporarily we can delete this edge. After we add bevel, we can bring this back, because as you can see, this edge, we have this line and this line. This line goes to this direction, and here we got a sharp angle. That's maybe maybe affect the bevel when we make when we add a bevel here. So I prefer to delete it temporarily and keep this one, and after I finish the bevel I will connect it. So hit Ctrl X, go to edge, alt click, alt shift click, grab those together if you like, hit Ctrl B, and let's add 0.6, and that will be enough. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen if I activate subdivision surface. Super cool, nice, very nice. If you like, now you can use the knife tool and bring the connection back, for example right here. It's okay. Alright, let's go to the third one. Turn off subdivision surface, and let's see what we can do here. Alright, let's go to the vertex mode and see how can we fix that. Maybe we can add an edge right here. We can use it, hit K to make connection now. And maybe we can slide those just a little bit right here. And grab this G twice and merge this there. Or maybe even we can grab those two vertices and bridge between them. That will work as well if you like. Something like this. It will be okay. Alright. What about this area? Let's say grab this one, hit G twice, and let's slide it just a little bit. Let's put these vertices above this one and hit K to make a cut. For example, goes like that maybe. And this edge we don't need it anymore actually. Hit K and let's make cut goes like this. Or this triangle we don't need it, I guess. Maybe this one we can take this vertex down, G twice, and let's move this down. Something. Alright, maybe I can merge it and delete this edge actually. Yeah, let's delete those and let's connect this one right here and this one up, I guess, and delete the rest. Actually, we don't need them that much. Grab this G twice, slide this up, merge it. Alright, that's very cool. Now I guess if I add bevel for this side and this side, let's see what's gonna happen if I hit Ctrl B. Alright, let's add 0.6 or 0.5 if you like. Tab out, activate subdivision surface. Looks cool and smooth. Yeah. What about this one? Alright, maybe we can add one edge goes like that. Just this edge will help me to make some connection. Alright, and it will be easy. Let's go to the top view and easy to go to wireframe. So our edge should be right here. To do that, use the knife tool, hit K, and let's make a cut goes like that. If you want to make the cut straight, just hit A, and that's it. And then hit C to cut through whole geometry. Confirm the cut and then hit enter. Alright, after that you can hit G twice and slide the, sorry, let's grab this one alone, G twice, and slide this just a little bit right here. And scale it just a tiny bit, not too much. Alright, that's very cool. Let's go back to solid, and now maybe these two edges I can move them just a little bit, slide them, G twice I mean, and let's merge this one up, G twice, take this up, take this down. It's better than I leave this edge go this distance. It's better to add an edge right here. Okay, and what else we can do here? Maybe we can add another edge right here and move this one G twice just a little bit right here and make connection between them. Hit J if you like. One here as well if you prefer. It's okay. And let's add one connection here as well. For this one we can use the knife tool, make a cut goes there. And what else? This edge we don't need it anymore. Grab it, delete it. Anything else we can do here? Alright, I think the result is nice. So grab these two edges, edge loops, and let's give this 0.6 And let's see what's gonna happen if I activate subdivision surface. Alright, I don't see any problem, but the result is jagged, as you can see here. It's very simple. Just hit right click and hit smooth again, and now they become smooth. Now if you activate the mirror modifier, we have everything mirrored and nicely done. Very cool. Alright, I guess that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.